Okay, today we are conducting the idea pitching institute level competition. So this is the first step for the other competitions like YIP, then the state IEDC idea pitching competition. Then we having the national level idea pitching is there in 2021 January. So this is the first step. So today. We are having two teams. First team is Alin Joseph and Albin Sibi from MCOM PTTM first year. Then we are having Akvanjes from BBA department, right? Yeah. Sonat Sunny, Jisar Joli, and Dan Varghese. I welcome all the participants as well as the audience of this competition.
So, at the time of any disputes or some dramatic problems arise and all, so how would you treat or how would you maintain the rapport of running your institution or organization at the time there arises some dispute between the employer and the job seeker and all? So, what would be your problem solving methodology that you will be following there?
Okay, well, we are providing an alternative for that. Like this, if the job is posted in our site, there will be a lot of candidates who are willing to do that job. From that pool, we will be finalizing three candidates according to their price that they are posted in the for that job and the expected time they are completing. So we will be most suitable price and this expected time to completion which are posted by the students. We will be collecting the most applicable candidate from that pool, and we will be giving this job for both the three candidates. And if the one of the candidates who is doing the job at up to the benchmark and the requirement of the employer and the price feasibility and the first come first will be served, sir, in this uh, case. So there is no chance of any delay or not doing the jobs here.
The first year BBA department is here to present you on our business idea. As you can see in the screen, our business idea's top name is Aventure, and the meaning of Aventure is a pocket of spices. Quality of the products soon after purchasing from the farmers, and the quality certificate verified the business verified by Aventure, that is our business, will also be issued to them. Now we have presented our business idea. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that was a good presentation from the first year students from the BBA department. Thank you so much. Then, Tamsuti, are you there?
Yes, sir. So the only thing is that the idea, as mentioned by Mr. Jerome, it's a wonderful idea, and you had done a wonderful market research, and you are aware about many things and all. But the only thing is that, do you think that it is an innovative idea?
Yes, sir, surely.
So, what's the reason behind such a conclusion?
Sir,
Yeah, why do you think that this is an innovative idea? Please give me some three instances or three unique factors which make it this idea an innovative one.
so first of all, saying that I'm coming from from the district of Idiki, and here in place named Pitadi, we have offline platform for auction.
Okay.
But as the COVID pandemic arises, due to the lockdown, that particular spice center also had been closed. So much
Okay.
of the farmers, including us, my father is a farmer, and we are also facing problem of selling our products. At that time, I was thinking that if we had an online platform, we could have sell the products. And the second one is that as I have mentioned earlier, the small retailers and wholesalers are making huge out of the farmers as well as the corporates. For example, now I suppose that 1 kilogram of cocoa beans cost around 100 to 150, and after processing and making it to chocolate, around 1 kg of a particular product costs around 750 or 300 or 750, somewhat of that range. So when it is the main person who plays between the price determination is the wholesalers and retailers only. And if the as I have mentioned, if the cocoa beans are sold directly to the corporates, the farmers will be getting more than 150 or more than 200. At the same time, the corporate will also be able to the corporate will also be getting it at a price which is less than they are purchasing from that of the wholesalers. So the price of the product will also may sometime reduce. And the third one is, I think it is innovative ideas, because to my knowledge, there are less person who have tried such an online platform. We have many online auction centers and online platform for selling and buying like Amazon, but for agriculture products there are less. So I think it is an innovative idea.